So hi guys, in this today's video I'm going to tell you about how to use my Grow With Me app. So first let's open our app. You can see it will take a bit of time to get loaded for the first time. After that it will get opened. It won't take more time. It's only for the first time. You need to allow this permission, otherwise the app won't work. So yeah, you can see it will take a bit of time depending on the net speed. It will only take time for your first time. When you download this app for the first time, it will take a little amount of time because it has to connect to the server. You can see here the ads you can see yeah, on the bottom. Only this ads will be displayed. Only this ad, that is the banner ad, will be displayed on this app. Nowhere you can find other ads. No other ads will be displayed. Only the banner ad will be displayed in this app, so this ad won't disturb you anymore. So yes, you get features like motivational quotes. You can read out my quotes. You can download my quotes if you want. Select any quote like I selected there. So if I really want to read it, you can click on the quote. You can download it. You can share it with your friend. I'm going to show you how. See here, you can zoom it, zoom down as you want. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out. Then if you like that quote, you can download it by pressing it for such short amount of time. Then you get two options that you want to share it or you want to download it. So it's your option. So third feature I'm giving you in this app is about the motivational videos. You can attend my motivational videos, my motivational lecture. So you get two features. One is the YouTube channel, where you can get a direct access to my YouTube videos by opening my YouTube channel. You can see this. It's my YouTube channel here, right here. And the second feature I'm going to talk about is in the motivational video is topics. The image has been loaded here. You can see it will take a bit time. See, second image has been loaded. So this topic, the topic you select, the video it opens. It will take a time. For the first time I told you, see the images have been loading, they have been loaded. So yeah, let's go on the welcome page again. Now here you get the search option. You can search my videos. Like if I'm dealing with breakup, so I can search by breakup, how to overcome breakup. You can get here my videos. So if I'm dealing with some problem, how to how to solve your problem, you can search my videos here. Problem part 1, part 2. You can see part 1, this is part 2 here. You can see this. So you can also voice search here. You have getting the option of voice search. You get the app option of voice search. Here you will get a notification. There isn't any notification yet, but this is a section where you will get notification. Then here you get the app share icon. You can share my app if you want. Updates, anything that we are allowing it in our app, you will get updates to that. So okay, let's go again. So here you get a feature of chat room. In chat room you can connect to people privately and publicly. It's your wish how you want to connect to people. You have to agree a policy, you have to allow this, you have to open the setting and you have to allow that too. And you need to create your ID. The ID will be logged in through your email. You have to use your email account to get logged in this ID, through this ID. I guess here I'm unable to give it permission, so let me get permission here. Okay, storage, I get open settings, screen overlay. It's again displaying all the screen overlay. Wait for a second now. Yeah, here I'm getting it I'm getting a bit problem here. Let me see if I could do something with that. Yeah, I'm getting this. Okay, I will allow that. Nothing. I have allowed my auto start option. You can get that screen overlay. Yeah, wait for a second. I think I need to turn my screen recorder off and I need to again select that thing. So yeah, let me first do it. I will show you again. So as I told you that I first need to turn off my screen recorder. So I did, and you can see I have given access to this permission. Then you can select a notification. You can check out. Yeah, notifications are on. So let's go back and let's open our app again. It will ask permission is required. Now we have given our permission. So let's open our app again and let's get login to the chat room. So you can say the image has been loaded very fast because it only takes time for the first time when you download our app. So chat room, here I open up. Here is our profile. Now you need to enter your name, as I'm GWM, you all know. You need to enter your email. You need to enter your password. After entering your password, yes, you will get an email notification on your app. You will have to verify that email for before using our app. You need to verify your email first. Okay, you will get a link. You will be mailed your link. So enter your valid email account here. Password, you can add any of the password you can keep, doesn't matter. So that you will receive an email on your mail, Google Mail. So you have to just click on the link and verify your account. Description is optional here. You can see I have see photo automatically have been updated here because I have first logged in this app. I have used this app personally. You can see you need to select the birthday date. As you can see, it's given here 11 March. My birthday is in March. Yeah, you can see that it's not displaying an image. It's problem with this Android server software that I'm using right now. The maybe the Android version I'm using, or maybe the processor or something. But yeah, in other phones, these things have been displayed. You can see here 1000. You just select you need to select the gender, yes, and a male and something. Yeah, you can see. So here you get some other features like you want some public comment on your profile. If you want, you can allow that. If you won't, then you won't allow. And you want your private chat that people can connect you privately, so you can allow them or you can don't allow. If you want to receive the alerts of this app, you can select that. Only icon, you need icon and sound alert, or you don't need any alert. You can select here. After that, click on save. Now you can see here's a chat room. You can see the images displayed. Now here's a chat room. Second thing I'm going to tell you about the notification here that I told you. You will get all the notification here. You can share app and something. Again, I'm going to chat room. Now again, I'm telling you something about the profile. So if you need to add other image, you get an option to share your image gallery. The image gallery. If you want to share the image gallery, you can see image or profile option. Image has profile. Click on add and add the image you want. Select photo and add the image. You will get an image gallery. I will show you what is your image gallery. I'll show you right now. Wait for a second. Second option you get here is the like image. You can only like the image gallery pictures, not the profile picture. So here you can see my profile comments. I'll show you. So for like, if you want to like some images on your phone, so you can see here, click on the picture, like option is given up. You can see like option here, and it also displays who have liked your images. Okay, you can see the next. Let's come on to the other thing, chats. If I open something, see, you can see here, I'll show you how you can comment down. See the comment, profile picture comment. I'm showing you the profile picture comment here. So more thing, yeah, I have to display some other things too. Okay, so now the main thing, how you can have a private chat with the person. This is a public group. Everyone, each and every person that is using this app can chat here. If you want to chat privately with someone, you need to click on the person profile picture. After clicking on that, you get the option of chat option, and here the number 2, that the number 2 is displayed here, means the person has talked to how many people right now. So this person has a private communication with me and one more person. Here you can see only 2 person, and the star means if you want to follow this person or not, if you want to get the person notification or not. If person is typing a message or something, you want to follow him or not, or updating his picture, you want to follow him or not. Okay, here's the block option. Up corner you can see here's the block option, and once you block this user, you can't unblock him. So remember one thing, once you block the user, you can't unblock him. So here's, after clicking on the chat icon, the private chat has been opened here. You can chat him like, hi, how are you, and send it. You also get the emojis here of emojis board. Okay, chat, let's turn back, exit the private chat, yes, turn back. Now if you want to connect to the private chat, you need to click on the icon here. This displays your private chat history, whom you have chatted yet privately, private chat history person. And you need to find any user. You can find here, here's the user section. You can find it by adding the filter of gender, minimum age, maximum age, or also you can find it by the name. Then after that you need to click OK. You will get the result that you chose. Now this is the about X section here. the app is all about, you can get here. What our app is all about, you can get here. Then comes here the contact us section. Now in this contact us session, you get two options, but tell to us. If you are using tell to us option, a server will directly reply you. This option is basically for those people who need motivation, that who need to connect through me personally. I'll personally connect through this app to all those people that's gonna motivate. That need motivation. Sorry, that need motivation. I'm gonna connect through them. So the thing is, not only me, my Grow With Me team is gonna connect to those people. You can text us here. You can text us privately. These will be the top secret messages that only our team member would know. No other person can have access to this message. So you can chat us here, tell us your problem. We are there to help you out, because our main aim is to reduce depression. So if my if my video is not sufficient for you, you can contact us here and send us direct message. We will reply you back. The second option you're going to get is mail. You can even mail us, send a mail. Okay, you can even send a mail to our team, and this mail is gonna reply by me, only me, not my team. So this was my app. I hope you like it, guys. So thanks for using, man. Thank you.